Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate PayKickstart and Zendesk. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new sale is created in PayKickstart, it will automatically add a lead in Zendesk. Now PayKickstart is an awesome subscription billing software and Zendesk is a CRM tool. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from PayKickstart to Zendesk. But there is one minor problem. There is actually no integration between PayKickstart and Zendesk. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate PayKickstart and Zendesk. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your own account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box. Actually, I would insist that you try this automation with me. It's actually pretty fun. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Here click on access now. At the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as PayKickstart to Zendesk. PayKickstart to Zendesk. Then click on create. So when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, let's make it as PayKickstart, because we want to send the data from PayKickstart. That is why. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as transaction sales? Now transaction sales is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question. If the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new transaction sales happen, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are more triggers like fulfillment received, fulfillment on hold, fulfillment on queue, subscription payment, subscription change, and so on. All of them are a bunch of trigger events. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to make. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new transaction sales happens in PayKickstart. Excellent. So basically the gist of the process is I'm trying to integrate PayKickstart to Pabbly Connect. So let's have a visit to PayKickstart. Okay, so let's go to this part called as campaigns. So here we are going to find a product that we are going to integrate with. So I'm going to integrate t-shirt. Okay, there is a product called as t-shirt and I'm going to integrate this product to Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on edit. Okay, so scroll down. This is the edit page. Scroll down here and at the bottom you will find the option called as integrations. Click this. Okay, so this is the integrations page. Scroll up and at the side you will find IP and URL. Click on add. Okay, so in this blank we have to fill in the webhook URL. So your obvious question is where I'm supposed to find the webhook URL. So to get the webhook URL, let's go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL or the IP and URL you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Excellent. Now in the set event, how about we make it as transaction sales? Okay, transaction sales. Okay, so basically we have filled in the IP and URL and also we have set the event as transaction sales. So now we are going to just click on save. So when you click on save, it is showing that we have successfully updated the product. Basically this means that we have integrated this particular product in PayKickstart to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so this means that anytime a transaction or a sale happens in this product, Pabbly Connect will capture the data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures the data, let's go to Pabbly Connect and click on this button, Capture Webhook Response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So let's go to PayKickstart and let's create one dummy sale in PayKickstart. So I'm going to go to the checkout link of this particular product. I'm basically copying this checkout link and opening this in a new tab. Okay, so we are going to fill in the details. So the name of the person is, let's say, Michael. Okay, not Michael, okay, Michael. And the person is, and the last name is Jackson. Okay, and we have the email as mjtwin123@gmail.com. Then click on next step. Okay, so mjtwin is basically from Georgia. Okay, we don't need to change this. Okay, so all the details has already been entered, autofilled. 913132392124. Okay, so this is the phone number and just clicking on next step. And I'm just basically completing the purchase as a dummy customer. Okay, so a dummy customer has made a sale of 149 rupees, made a purchase of 149 rupees. Now, since the Pabbly Connect is integrated with PayKickstart, let's see whether Pabbly Connect has captured this data or not. So let's go to Pabbly Connect. Yes, the data has been captured. So this is the billing address one, that is SBI Villa, and this is the billing city, Paris. Billing country is Georgia, and this is the billing state. And we have the zip code, and this is the buyer email, mjtwin123@gmail.com. This is the first name and this is the last name. Excellent. So basically we have fetched all the details from PayKickstart into Pabbly Connect. Now we have to create a lead in Zendesk using these data. So to do that, just click on this plus button. So when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the choose app, let's make it as Zendesk Sale. Okay, this one. Now in the action event, since we are only interested in creating a lead, let's make it as create a lead. Now similarly, just like the triggers, there are many more action events like create deal, create contact, update contact, and so on. However, in case if you don't find the action event of your choice, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to create a lead in Zendesk Sale. Okay, so just click on connect with Zendesk Sale. Now in the new credentials, just click on connect with Zendesk Sale. Okay, so it is asking for authorization. Just click on authorize. Okay, so while it is authorizing, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so just click on authorize successful. Okay. Now in the first name, we are going to map in the details. Okay, so as you can see, we have a set of blanks. The purpose of this blank is very simple. We are going to create a lead with the data that we have received from PayKickstart via Pabbly Connect. For example, in the first name, we are going to map in the first name. That is by just clicking on this plus button and just typing in first. And here we have the first name as Michael. Then we have the last name as Jackson. The organization name, since from Pabbly, so let's make it as Pabbly Connect. Or you can actually make type your own organization name. I'm just putting in Pabbly Connect. Now in the title, we don't have any data about that from PayKickstart. Now the source is PayKickstart is already mentioning. We have two sources, PayKickstart and test. My case it is a PayKickstart. Description, just keeping it as empty. Then we have email. So this is the buyer email. Similarly, we have the phone number. Okay, and then we have address line 1. Then we have city, Paris, and then we have the postal code. Okay, so no, we don't have the postal code. Zip code, yes, we have the zip code. State or province, okay, so there is some state in Georgia called as AB, I don't know. Country is Georgia, GE. Okay, so we are not entering any kind of tag. Okay, so basically we have filled all the important details that we have received from PayKickstart. So just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent to Zendesk Sale. So let's go to Zendesk Sale. Okay, and let's go to leads. Let's see whether we have a person, Michael Jackson. Yes, we have a person, or we have a lead called as Michael Jackson. And company is this and status, okay. Okay, so the presence of this lead shows that we have successfully integrated PayKickstart and Zendesk with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if the integration is working fine or not. So before that, let's go to Pabbly Connect. Okay. So let me minimize my action window. And let me minimize my trigger window. Okay, so what I'm trying to show is the gist of the whole process. And after that, we will make one more transaction sales in PayKickstart to double check the integration. Okay, so basically this is how our mechanism works. First you integrated PayKickstart to Pabbly Connect, and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Zendesk. So now there is a perfect flow of data between PayKickstart and Zendesk. Okay, so let's make one more dummy transaction in PayKickstart. So I've copied and pasted the checkout link, and this is going to open this in a new tab. So this time the person's name is Lily George. Okay, Leela George. Okay, then click on next step. Then we have French Guiana as the state or the place. V10 sugar winner. Okay, French. Okay, so this is field 13. Okay, Bopon. Okay, select the French Guiana. Okay, so basically we have filled in all the details. How about we change this? French Guiana. Okay, French Guiana. French Guiana. Okay, French Polynesia. Then click on next step, complete purchase. Okay, so a customer called as Lily George has made a transaction worth 149 rupees. So let's see whether we have a lead of Lily George. So I'm going to refresh this. Yes, we have a lead of a Lily George. Okay, so the presence of Lily George shows that we have successfully integrated PayKickstart and Zendesk with help of Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a transaction sales happens in PayKickstart, it will be reflected as a lead in Zendesk cell.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.